What's up, viewers? We're at Black Ops Airsoft again, and the game modes that we're playing today is Chaos. Simple, the team with the most people wins. Hope you guys enjoy.
Can you res more than one person? Count. Are they in the forest?
I'll just cover fire.
Okay.
I'll push up with him.
What team are you on? Are you on the team with the girl?
What's that?
Are you on the team with the girl?
Team Eagle. Team Eagle.
Are we Team Eagle?
I don't know.
We'll shoot them.
We never came up with the team name.
The guy's wearing a tan shirt. Was he on your team?
I don't know. No, he wasn't. He wasn't with my original pair. But then we shot a bunch, and I don't know.
We'll shoot him just to make sure.
Hey, Team Eagle! What's your name?
Ella.
Team Eagle! Was Ella on your team?
I don't think so.
All right. So I guess they're not.
They're right there.
Yeah.
Mosquitoes are horrible.
God damn, this is a lot of mosquitoes.
I know, it's bad.
This is the reason
Right.
why I had 2 mosquito bites on my left arm.
You guys have a call sign?
Let's just call Ella. Fuck it.
Okay.
Okay.
I'm assuming that's Ella.
Yeah, that's Ella. So she's. Hey, Bang Bang. I assume you're dead?
Yeah, he was.
Okay. Oh, he's just moving around. I'm like, oh, you're on Team Ella. You're with us. Team Ella. We're just Team Ella now.
All right.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 17, 18, 19.
I was wondering where everybody was. So I could only see.
All right, you're Team Ella. You're with all of us, okay? So if you see us, we're on your team. At least for now. All right, there was a guy, he was all like green. Yeah, these people, they're on our team. All right, I'm pushing with those guys. Oh shit. 1, 2, 3, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 27, 28, 30.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
By the way, we're Team Ella.
No, it's just me running solo over here. You shot my partner.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Dude, ain't nobody over there.
22, 23, 24. Team Ella, everyone in the fort's on our team.
Well, hey, we're gonna have contact on this road, we'll see.
Okay. Were there any more people over here?
No, just me. You shot my partner, so I was trying to get back at you.
I don't know where he's down at. Do we have people in the right contacts over here?
I don't know.
Let's just fire from over there.
The answer would be no.
You guys want to go back to the fort? Because that's where our team mostly is.
Take contact down this road.
We got guys on our left too, so we might as well get stuck out of here quickly.
Set up an ambush down here.
Team Ella? Close, in your building. Fuck. They were on the other side.
You Team Ella, right?
Yeah. Come, I'm pulling you. I'm pulling you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 8, 9, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 23, 24, 25. Team Ella.
You're good.
I can't get inside. I got 150 in me. Team Ella. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 7, 8, 9, 10, 13, 14, 20, 21, 22, 26, 27, 28, 29. Team Ella. Team Ella.
Are you guys Team Ella out there?
Yeah.
We're Team Ella. We're Team Ella.
Okay, res them.
Team Ella.
Yeah. Team Ella?
Yeah, we're Team Ella.
Oh, I was Team Ella. Oh, Team Blue? Okay.
I'm on your side now. I'm on your side now. I'm on your side now. Team Ella!
Team Ella. We're Team Ella.
No! Damn! No!
They're Team Blue. They're Team Blue.
There's enemies behind you!
Blue team! Blue team! Blue team!
Two different teams, bud! Ella, down the hall! Dude! I just shot you, bro.
Oh! Oh, my ears are ringing from that. Can I get a medic?
Hey, dead man walking!
Oh, Lord, my ears. No, you got to count to 30.
1, 2, 3, 4. Hold on.
You can pull me. I was like, you can pull me.
I'm sorry, man. My bad.
Are you on blue team?
I got Team Noah.
I'll be back for you.
Team Ella. No.
These are going to go around the backside.
All right.
I'm on your 6, Chip.
I got you. Church. See him? Left side of church. Left side of church. Yeah, inside church. Inside church and to the left. Like directly this way.
Back church.
Gotcha.
Kai, I need you. I want to change.
Hit. Oh God, I got fucked.
Use cover, bro.
Let me know when you're done.
How's your day been?
I got shot right in the nose. My gun just got hit.
Ow! Fuck!
Well, it was a good try. What's your guys' team name? Hey, what's your team name?
I have no clue.
I have no clue. Okay, that works for me.
Team name is to be determined. I think they're behind it, not in it.
You got me. I think you're good though.
Yeah, I was on this side.
That one made it through. You got me.
I got him though.
Yeah, I'm he spent $20 to kill a dude who didn't care.
Yeah.
Bad guys. No, I got res. Okay. But there's bad dudes in the white church.
Okay, if he doesn't call that, I'm gonna be very surprised. Okay.
Oh, white church.
You hit?
Yeah. My gun fucking didn't feed.
I'm good. Let me reload quick.
Yeah.
So I'll push it, okay? Dead. Dead.
Oh, we're not. This is our team.
Well, you got the plushie on the back?
I'm on your guys' team. Team Chaos, the one in Big Church.
Yeah.
You guys are on that team?
No.
Okay.
We were on your team. Don't you got that plushie on your back?
Yeah, I was on Team Ella, but I died. Now I'm on the other team.
Oh, okay.
Okay. We're on team whatever the fuck that is.
Thank you, bro.
You was just back here with us right here, right?
Yeah, I died.
I'm like, damn,
Hey! We're good here.
So they're up here?
They're on the river. Oh, careful.
we just helped out.
Did you get hit?
My gun did.
Okay. Gun hits count. Oh, dude. I don't know how I'm not hitting him. Yeah. They're retreating. They retreated.
It's a really bad spot we got caught in here.
1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 14, 15, 16, 17, 22, 23, 24, 28, 29, 30. Team whatever the fuck. I don't know what team we're called, but we're wherever the fuck. Here, can you get him? I'm pushing. Our enemy team is named Ella. I'm jogging you.
Shane.
Whatever the fuck. That's what I'm calling.
Team Skippity.
I think Team Skibbity. All right. I think there's a live guy by these pipes right here. See the 3 pipes? Really close. I think he's in the pipe right here.
What team are you?
No, Skibbity.
I think I might. That's all you. What team are you?
We're Team Skibbity. Yeah.